Good morning students, this is science video. Today we are starting from now onwards, we are starting with the science and we were doing activities. If you remember in the last previous chapters we have done it. We have done 7 and 8 chapter which is coming to your post periodic exam and we were continuing with the activities. So in the activities I have explained 6th and 8th activity and we have skipped that 7th chapter activity. So today we are going to finish with that activity of chapter number 7. So come to the page number 61. Here you will find out after the question answers you will find out some pictures are given. We have to write those names. So I hope you all got that idea by seeing the pictures in your chapter as well. So it is related to that chapter. So you have to do this. With this I am going to explain the questions and then you will answer me in the WhatsApp. And some are the correct option, you have to take the right option, and some are the enhancing your life skill, this you have to take. And there is a small periodic test given. This is your homework, you have to do it as a homework. Clear? So you have to just do the exercises of this periodic test. You don't have to do question answers of this periodic test, you have to do only the exercises as homework. Clear? So let's begin with this activity of today's, that is on page number 61 and 62. Clear? And there's a question given of HOTS, that is higher order thinking skill. So in that question there are the two questions, that is explaining about what kind of plants do aquarium have and why. And in a cactus plant's leaves are reduced to spine. Where does the photosynthesis occur in a cactus plant? So these two questions you have to find out from somewhere, I don't know. You have to find out those questions and you have to answer them in the next class. Clear? So let's begin with the activity today. This is the activity right below the question answers on page number 61. So you will identify these plants and write their names. So as you can see, this is the first one I am giving you as the helping example. That is, first one is cactus, second one you have to find out from the chapter, as chapter is also having the same pictures, so you will find out from there as well. So third one is mangrove. As you can see, I'm not giving you the answers. Clear? So you have to find out these answers from your chapter as okay. So let's turn the page and you have to find out some plant name which is done for this puzzle. Search the name of at least 3 plants in the word grid. Write down the one feature of each and one is done for you. Clear? So एक आपको दिया हुआ है as example. You have to write down the name of the plant and you have to write down their feature. ठीक है? फीचर हम पढ़ चुके हैं एडाप्टेशन में. सो आई होप यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो फर्स्ट आई कैन सी, first is given as example over there. Second I can see from here spruce. So spruce is also a plant. You can find out from here. If you don't find out, then ask me. So you have to find out the plant name in this puzzle. Clear? Okay, so this is the homework which you have to do after this activities. So I will tell you about this later. This is the HOTS. So let's think and answer. You have to answer this as homework. Means you have to find out these answers एक्वेरियम में हम कौन से प्लांट्स लगा सकते हैं और क्यों लगा सकते हैं। एक्वेरियम में ऐसा क्या है जो सारे प्लांट्स नहीं आ सकते उसमें। सो क्या क्या फीचर्स होने चाहिए अगर एक्वेरियम में अगर किसी प्लांट को हम लगा रहे हैं तो उसके क्या क्या फीचर्स होने चाहिए। यू हैव टू मेंशन दोज फीचर्स एज वाई एज आंसर। ठीक है, समझ में आ गया। तो जिस तरह का लोटस का फीचर होता है लोटस प्लांट का, उसी तरह का एक्वेरियम का भी, एक्वेरियम के अंदर के भी सारे प्लांट्स के फीचर्स होंगे। इज इट क्लियर? सो आई हैव गिवन यू द हिंट। लोटस प्लांट के फीचर्स ही सेम एक्वेरियम प्लांट्स के फीचर्स होंगे। क्लियर? सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर फ्रॉम एनीवेयर। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू get the answer from your side. In a cactus plant, leaves are reduced to spines. Cactus plant सबने देखा है, उसमें leaves नहीं होती हैं, स्टार्टिंग में leaves होती हैं लेकिन वो धीरे धीरे किस में बदल जाती हैं, spines में बदलती हैं। spines मतलब कांटे। So where does the photosynthesis occur in a cactus plant? तो photosynthesis कहाँ होता है? As I have given you and I have explained you about the cactus plant and their photosynthesis activities. So I hope you will answer from this question from the chapter itself. So let's acquire this. You have to do it in your book. This you have to do it in your book, B part, and this one, this picture part. These all you have to do it in your book. This one, and these one. Clear? So let's acquire. Plant give us lot of things. They give us food, wood, medicine, clothes. How should we take care of plants? प्लांट हमें बहुत सारी चीजें देते हैं, जैसे फूड हो गया, वुड हो गया, मेडिसिन हो गए, क्लोथ्स हो गए। तो क्या हमें भी देखभाल करनी चाहिए ना उन प्लांट्स की? तो कैसे करेंगे? बाय वाटरिंग देम वंस इन अ मंथ। उनको पानी क्या 1 महीने में दें। बाय कीपिंग देम इन सनलाइट। उनको सनलाइट में रखें। बाय वाटरिंग देम रेगुलरली। उनको हमेशा पानी दें, मतलब सुबह शाम। बोथ बी एंड सी। बी एंड सी। सो राइट आंसर, यू हैव टू टेक द राइट आंसर ओवर हियर। इसका सिर्फ एक ही आंसर है, सो यू हैव टू टेक एनी वन अमंग दिस 4। ठीक है, इन चारों में से कोई एक ही आंसर आपका सही होगा। सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर and show it to me in the WhatsApp right now. You have to find the answer here also and show it to me in the WhatsApp. So let's enhance our life skill. You have to take the things that you get from the plants. जो भी चीजें आपको प्लांट से मिलती हैं वो सारी आपको टिक करनी है। So clothes, oil, nuts, ये अपने आप समझ के बताइए मुझे। आपको उसी चीजों में टिक करना है जो आपको प्लांट से मिलते हैं। ठीक है, आप क्रॉस कहीं नहीं करेंगे। यू हैव टू जस्ट टिक। सो दिस इज द पीरियोडिक टेस्ट। एक तरह का सैंपल टेस्ट ही ले लो। तो पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में आपको पीछे के भी चैप्टर्स कुछ समझ में आएंगे। सो यू हैव टू डू A, B, C। क्लियर? A, B, C आपका होमवर्क है और मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर हम कल करेंगे। ओके, सिर्फ आपका होमवर्क ये है A, B, C ये 3 करने हैं और आपको हॉट्स के आंसर पता करने हैं। दीज आर योर होमवर्क। थैंक यू सो मच।